want to dry run this, we on straight line.
Gracie Gator, the mascot of Our Lady of Grace, was starting to have trouble reading. She needs glasses. She went to C.W. Thomas because they can make anything out of plastic.
Welcome to C.W. Thomas.
Some of the things they make are airplane seats, snack trays, baggage racks, ventilation components, theft protection packaging, and plastic borders around screens and monitors. At C.W. Thomas, they specialize in a process called thermoforming.
The process is, the plastic sheet gets hot, and it goes over a mold, and then it gets stuck down over that mold. The mold is metal, and it's temperature controlled, so that it cools down slower and doesn't warp. Then what happens is you take that part and put it into a computer numerical control machine, which is a fancy machine that finishes parts using computer codes.
The most important thing is quality, and I really do like what I do. And once you finish the part, you don't even believe that you did that part.
Machine operator. It keeps me active, keeps me moving. One of the core things is video bezels. They're backseat of planes. The TV goes in. We make the frame part that goes in there. So that's pretty cool.
There's lots of different applications, anywhere from aerospace to basic industrial, healthcare, and things to that effect. And Star Wars. Star Wars.
Been on the Star Wars ride. If you look up in these ceiling panels here, that all goes on that ride.
It's such a cool place to be. Awesome people, forklifts, incredible machinery, and a great place to hang out and have pizza.
Gracie, you're in good hands. We can make it what you need!